Kamala, can we start?
Yeah, okay, Haripriya.
Yeah, we'll start.
Yeah, good morning, Haripriya. I mean,
yeah, sir. Yeah, I'm checking about you only. yeah. Hello, sir. Good morning. So, hi everyone. Very good morning to one and all. So this is Haripriya. I think everyone knows about me. So we did many programs. So APSSDC always did these many programs. So this is one of the new program which was not did in before. So now the coming to the program is which is 20 days online program on introduction to Autodesk 3D Maya. So you guys learn Unity and you guys learn how to develop the games, but how to design a character, and we don't know really how to design an animation. We don't know really. We are using from internet and we are developing that all the stuff, right? So but so this creating animation is also very important, so that's why we planned this program and we didn't did in this program in before. So this is the first time we are doing to all the Andhra students for free of cost. So anyway, so learn very seriously and do something, finally create some animations at the end of this. And this is like 20 days daily 9 to 10. So please join at 5 minutes before. We'll end 5 minutes before, and Santosh will be the trainer of these sessions, so he will take care all the technical things, and Kamala was sharing the other things which is feedback, attendance. We guys are taking everything and we guys are maintaining everything. So how the certificate will get, many members was asking in chat also. So that certificates will get based on your feedback and based on your task presentation. So we'll give the tasks, the 10 tasks we'll give, and we'll give the form for that. You guys should submit that, and we'll get the certificate based on your task performance. So I think it's clear from my end. Utilize this workshop and make use of this. And here, Ravi sir was there. Sir is like is working in 3+ years in AP Skill Development Corporation as a Chief General Manager Technical. So sir has like 15+ years of experience in IT industry as a principal, as a HOD, and he worked in many MNC companies like Entity Data, Capgemini, IBM. So sir has did PhD in IIT Hyderabad. So sir, please tell to the students how this workshop is useful to them. Yes, sir. Please start.
thank you very much, Haripriya, for giving an introduction about me. And first of all, I would like to say thanks to my gaming team, Haripriya and team Santosh and Kamala. They come up with a program, 20 days online workshop on introduction to Autodesk Maya 3D. So it is going to start from today to, it will be continued up to 9th September 2021. Every day morning 10 to 11. So basically, our team is expertise in conducting a gaming, Unity, and other programs apart from regular trainings. So, APSSDC is rigorously conducting various imparting skilling programs for engineering students. But due to high demand in gaming and other technologies, so APSSDC will come with a introduction to Autodesk Maya 3D. There is a huge demand in this course where you can build a games and animation movies and architecture, interior and exterior design and 3D graphics. And also there are so many visualizations and even in digital marketing. And there are some software companies in new product design where animation is play an important role to see the virtual reality and also the augmented reality. These things are much helpful for you in AR, VR, MR, and XR. These are virtual reality, augmented reality, then mixed reality, and also XR, extended reality, which are going to play an important role in the new technology perspective. So in this regard, this is Autodesk introduction to Autodesk. Maya 3D is going to help for the students apart from regular skills. So this skill is going to be additionally in your skill set, like useful in gaming and creation of animation movies and interior and exterior design, architectural design and novel architecture. There are many applications in the even in the medical point, in the healthcare and medical domain also, where one can design these animations using this Maya 3D. And our team really, I appreciate my team come up with a 20 days the curriculum and content they designed for, starting from introduction to Maya, how to use and install this software and how one can explore with this software interface. And also they explain about the 3D modeling and CV curve modeling and surface modelings. And also they are going to explain the importance of creating the 3D models and interior and exterior modelings and the character modeling and mechanical. So like this, they designed this course for 20 days. So I think it's a great opportunity for engineering students starting from first year to final year. Haripriya is clearly mentioned any engineering branch, any year of students starting from first year to final year. This is going to be helpful for you once you are perfect in Autodesk 3D Maya. This is going to be helpful for you in your academic activities also. One can creating animations, or maybe this is going to be helpful for you in project final year, the project when you are going to submit for this, or with this 3D Maya software, you can do some internship or you can build some new product or new product development. So I think this is going to be helpful to you in a big way. And I request all the students who have registered for today program. I think I can see the participants is more than 175 at the present. This program is going to be helpful for you until unless you take a very seriously, you attend all the sessions without fail, and also you need to follow regular the instructions by the instructor and you do the assignments. I clearly mentioned to Haripriya and team, after completion of this 20 days, you conduct an assessment and also encourage the students to come up, submit with a new projects. And see, students have different innovative ideas and thoughts. So I request my team to encourage students come up with a different innovative projects based on this Autodesk 3D Maya software. So any innovative project you submit to me, we will encourage students by giving appreciation letter and also some incentives or something like that, so that student will think on different perspective and they will come up with different projects, or might be with this software might be there is a probability of finding solutions for the societal problems also. So I request all the students take it seriously, attend this program, and also at the end of this 20 days, Haripriya, you please take a video feedbacks on the student experience and how this is helpful for them, and how this is going to be useful for the students and in their projects or whatever it may be. So wish you all the best, team, and thank you very much for all the young dynamic AP students attending for this course, and wish you all the best for APSSDC team for designing a innovative skill course in the form of introduction to Autodesk 3D Maya. Wish you all the best, and thank you very much for me giving an opportunity to say a few words about this course and the APSSDC programs. Thank you, Haripriya.
Thank you so much, sir, for inaugurating this session. Thank you, sir. Definitely we'll take the videos from the students, and as well as we'll follow up the task from the students. We'll not like giving the trainings and giving the certificates. It's not at all useful to the students. Definitely So we'll take care. We guys can take care. These trainers will take care how to like this task views and as well as videos feedback. Sir will take care everything. And thank you, sir, once again for coming and giving such an introduction to all the students. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, team. So once again, I would like to thank the Kamala as well as this Santosh and the team, everyone, the gaming team, everyone. I would like to thank because and they did wonderful job. So because of them only we are doing this. I hope everyone knows that. So because they did this, I'm only the instructor to help us, but they guys did the groundwork and they did a lot of things to did this because they marketed very much and they did a lot of things, guys. First of all, because here Santosh will be the trainer for you like 20 days. So keep utilizing this session. Please utilize and do something crazy and learn new skills. Come up with a new skills and a new which is useful to your career. That's it. I can say that. So without delay, I don't want to waste the time because it's already like 9:14. Santosh has to cover all the topics coming 20 days. So utilize this session. I hope tomorrow there will not session because Santosh will be on leave for personal work. Anyway, in day after tomorrow, which is continuous 9 to 10. So please be available, attend the sessions and do something crazy. That's it. I can say that. So, and we guys will provide recording sessions in YouTube also. Don't worry about that. And you guys can give the feedback based on the feedback we guys taking attendance. And yeah, at the end of 20th day, we guys giving a task link also. If you submit the task only, you will get, will assess. So as we have trainers, they are going to assess your task. Then we'll provide a certificate to you. So I hope it was very clear from us end. So yes, recordings will be provided. Everyone was asking in chat. So if you guys are not registered also, you can attend the session. The thing is you guys need to give the feedback. That's it. So I hope it was very clear that count is also 200 plus because I hope we changed the timings to 9 to 10. That's why the count may decrease. But anyway, utilize this and make use of these wonderful sessions. Yes, Kamala and Santosh, you guys can start and you can do that. You can start the session.
Thank you, Haripriya. Thanks for sharing the good words from our participant. Once again, thank you, Haripriya. And please mute your mics. I hope my voice is audible. Please respond one by one on your chat box.
Yes, sir.
My voice is audible. No, please mute your mics. Only respond on your chat box.
Yes, everyone. Yes, everyone saying it is audible. Yes, Santosh, you can share the screen and you can tell them to how these 20 days will useful and how you are going to handle these 20 days and help them start the session, Santosh. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Okay, Haripriya, thank you. Well, I have the 400 participant here. I'm sharing my screen. Anyway, good morning all. I'm Santosh Kumar from APSSDC. I'm gaming trainer. We have the 20 days workshop on Maya 3D Maya. Anyway, I'm giving some introduction on Maya. First off, about Maya. Once again, I will ask, my screen is visible. Please respond one by one on your chat box. I need your more response. My screen is visible. Where? Good. Please mute your mics. Please mute your mics. Well. And my voice is audible. No problem. So I will give some time talking about Maya introduction class. So Maya is a 3D computer graphic applications that runs on Windows and MSC and Linux OS. Maya is 3D graphic application. This is the totally 3D graphic application. Please mute your mics. Have disturbance here. This tool is 3D computer graphic application. It's work on MSC and Windows and Linux OS. Originally developed by Alua Systems Corporation and currently owned and developed by Autodesk. It is used to create assets for interactive 3D applications, animated films, and video games, and architecture and visual effects also. This is the small introduction. So this small introduction on 3D Autodesk Maya. This is the totally 3D graphic applications tool, and is working on Windows, Mac, and Linux OSs. The first developed in Alua Systems Corporation, and owned by developed on Autodesk. It is used to create assets. Assets means 3D assets, like in a gaming. In the gaming, the different type of characters and assets, 3D and applications, and animated films, video games, architecture, and visual effects. Original authors, Allianz System Corporation, developers, Autodesk, and INC. The first released in February 1998. The first release in Autodesk Maya software, and stable release mean recently released in 6/10/2020. The new version is the writing C++, MEL, Python, and C#. Is working the OS operating system Windows 9.3 or recently 10 even, and Mac later, RHCL and CNT 7.3 later. This is the working OS. This is the small introduction on Autodesk Maya. Melis is one of the program like C# and C++. And okay, 3D Maya అనేది మనకి and totally animation software. మోస్ట్లీ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ సంబంధించి మనకి వైజాగ్ అండ్ విజయవాడ ఇట్లా చూసుకుంటే మనకి ఎరీనా అండ్ పిక్స్లాయిడ్ లో మనకి ఎక్కువగా కాస్ట్ పెట్టి మనం తీసుకునేది. బట్ ఏంటంటే మనకి ఏపీఎస్డిసి నుంచి ఫ్రీగా ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. మోస్ట్లీ 9 months ట్రైనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. 3D మాయ అనేది 9 months ట్రైనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. బట్ మన ఏపీఎస్డిసి నుంచి 20 days లో మాత్రమే చెప్తున్నాం. బట్ నో ప్రాబ్లం, డైలీ మీరు అందరూ అటెండ్ అవ్వండి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ప్లీజ్ మ్యూట్ యువర్ మైక్స్. ప్లీజ్ మ్యూట్ యువర్ మైక్స్. Okay, we have the job opportunities here, Vizag and Vijayawada. We have the MNCs, more MNCs. Mostly I know the Symbiosis. I'm working Symbiosis MNC. I'm working Symbiosis MNC in Vizag. Is the totally depend on 3D Maya MNC company. Okay, so this is a small introduction on Maya. Autodesk Maya. Next topics. What is the topics on 3D Maya on this workshop? We will teach. We will discuss about topics. Autodesk Maya 3D workshop topics. The first day, introduction on Maya. Introduction Maya and how to install it. Explain software interface. And next day, explain about 3D modeling department and CV curve modeling, surface modeling. And next third day, low poly modeling, product modeling, interface, and next interior and exterior modeling, mechanical modeling, character modeling, and explain about lighting department and ambient direction, point and spotlights, and reflections of lighting and shading. And interior and exterior lighting. Explain about textures. Textures mean 2D and 3D textures. How to assign the Lamberts, how to apply the textures and Lamberts and character. And day 10 the class. And 11 UV unwrapping and assign the Lambert material. And next, explain about rigging department. Okay, and skeleton menu and skinning. And next, joint orientation class. And next 15 day, IK and FK setup and switch off. And explain about rendering and rendering settings, and how to render the video and how to render the film. And next, visual and render images, day 17. And 18, explain about animation. And 19, keyframe animation and time editor and playburst operations. Playburst mean how to render the video. And the final day, export model and demo read. So totally we have the 20 days. 20 days is the online Autodesk Maya workshop topics. This is it clear? 20 days Autodesk Maya 3D workshop topics. I need your response, but because you are listening here or not, I don't know if this is the online section. It's clear. Okay, good. Well,
yes, sir.
Okay, please mute your mics and respond on your chat box. That's fine. In the first topic, see the first day. In the first topic, see the first day. Introduction on Maya and how to install it. Explain software interface. Today topic. Please listen carefully. Today topic, introduction on Maya. I'm already done in the introduction Maya. It's very fine. And next, how to install it. Explain software interface. The first, how to install Maya. I'm using also trial version. If you want anyone crack version, I will share on your chat box in the link. The first, how to download the trial version and the comparing on Google. Please listen carefully. Please search in 3D Maya free download on search in Google, please. 3D Maya free download, a trial version. See, download Maya 2022 Maya free trial. This is download Maya 2022 Maya free trial. No, this is not support in iPhone. This is support in PCs only. This is not this is not support in mobiles. I'm asked one question: how many members have the 246 members participating here? How many members have the laptop here? How many members have laptop here? Okay, who are have the laptop? Please follow me and install the simultaneous. Please follow me. Okay, good. Please go to Google page and type the 3D Maya free trial download. Please see here, download Maya 2022 and Maya free trial. So I'm go to downloading this site. I'm go to this site. This is Autodesk Maya web page. See the free trial Maya for free 30 days. This is not no need to license and no need to purchase money. Okay, no problem. This is the free download. This is the free trial. So first, how to download the free trial? I'm already just type in a Google page free downloading the free Maya trial, and next go to Autodesk Maya web page. See this download free trial option. Downloading free trial option. Please listen carefully. Mostly who have the laptops, please follow with me, with simultaneous with me. And next, downloading free trial. Please click on this option, downloading free trial. When you click, this is ask. I will be using the software as who. using for business purpose or student or teacher. Mostly you are all students, so you go to option student or teacher. A student or teacher. So go to education community. See this option, go to education community. And next, click here. And click here. And next, see the Maya software. Get started. Get started. Okay. If you have the Autodesk Maya, if you have the Autodesk account, you go, you just give your mail and password. If you don't have if you don't have Autodesk Maya account, please create the new account. Please create the new account. If you have any Autodesk Maya account, please fill this your mail ID and give your credentials and download the software. It's the very easiest how to options how to download the Maya Try. It is available in 32-bit OS also, no problem. Is it clear? Is it clear on the repeat once? Clear.
Yes, sir. Can you repeat once again from first process?
Okay. So how to install the software? I'm going to Google Play. And I'm search here. Maya software free download. See this web link, download Maya 2022, the free trial, Autodesk official. This is the web page. Download Maya 2022 free trial. I'm going in Autodesk Maya web page. See the first trial. Try Maya free for 30 days. And next, we have the option here. We have the option here, downloading free trial. Please see and click here. Downloading free trial. When I click in the button, so I have the option here. I will be using this software as are you a business user or the student or teacher? So we are all learners. I hope you are all learners and you are students. So you are going to the second option is better for you. You are going to the second option is better for you as student or teacher. If you are chose the business user, you purchase the software. So you're all learners and students. So I hope there's a better for the second option, a student or teacher. Please select that option and go to education community and go to education community and click that option and please scroll down and please scroll down. See the Maya software 3D animation modeling. See the software and get started. See the logo, Maya logo, and next get started. I'm going to get started. So if you have the already you have the Autodesk account, so and go and give your mail and password. If you don't have any account on Autodesk Maya, please create new account. Please create new account and download the software. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, after creating an account, they are asking our graduation, sir. But our graduation is completed in 2018 only, sir.
No problem. Given the 2019,
2018, sir.
18, but no problem. Please give your graduation details. There's not a problem.
They are asking enroll from data and then after expected graduation date, sir.
Okay.
Then how can we process, sir?
Please repeat once.
Sir, here I have registered, sir. I haven't created an account. Then
Okay.
the mail has been sent some joining link and verify mail. In that,
Please check
they
on
want
your
to
mail.
enter some name of the educational institute. Sir, I
It's
have
okay.
entered, sir. In that educational mail, I have educational institute. I have entered. Then they are asking enroll from date, expected graduation date.
Please check your mail
But
once.
my graduation has been completed in 2018 only, sir. BCom.
There's no problem. You can just give 2021 or 22. You just have to download it, right? It will not ask for certificates or anything else. Just enter 2021 or 22.
No, sir, it will ask proof of study, sir. We have to submit proof of study.
Don't, sir. I'm installing right now. No?
Okay,
I'm
okay.
installing. It will ask just email ID.
Someone who, please give me your details. No problem. Please mute your mics. I understand your problem. Please verify in mails. Once check your mails. I will give my WhatsApp number. Who are not able to install the software. I will separate and cross one. Okay, please mute your mics. Please check your verify mail also. Okay.
Sir, at last it asking college confirmation letter, sir.
Okay, no problem. Please mute your mic. I will explain. No problem. Please mute your mics. Okay.
So everyone, please listen first what Santosh was saying, okay? So don't unmute and don't ask. There will be a question and answer session will be last 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Don't disturb the trainer. Meanwhile, the program is going on, okay? So I request all the students, please don't ask any questions in middle of the session is going on. The time is very important. Santosh, please continue.
Okay. Okay, guys, that is not a big problem. I will share my number and I will clear your problem personally. That's not a big problem. So who are able to install this software, please go to follow this totally steps and install the software on your laptop. There's no problem. Is it clear? And next. And next topic. Explain software interface. Explain software interface. today's section, introduction on Maya and how to install this, how to install it, and explain software interface. I will. This is the Maya software 2020 and trial version, the new version. This is only 28 days here. You have the trial version timing is 30 days only. Please check it. If you are purchase the software, see here buy now per month. This is not when you are purchase this software, that is not a crack version. You have then you got not a crack version, the real version software. But right now I am using the trial version only. I'm not purchasing this software. I'm using just trial only. What is the difference between a trial version and the real version? If you are rendering process is the when you are rendering the video or images, you have the you are lost the clarity resolution on the trial version. If you have the real version, the clarity is more clarity and good clarity, good resolution. So finally, the open 3D Maya software. This is interface. This is Maya software interface. Okay. This is the menu bar. File, edit, create, select, modify, display, windows, mesh. This is totally the menu bar. This is totally menu bar. And next this is toolbar. This is toolbar. And this is workspace and grid. This is called workspace and grid. See these options: curved surface and polygon and rigging, animation. This is totally department bar. This is called totally department bar. Polygon surface, rigging, animation, rendering, effects, customs. This is called departmental bar. And next, this is the menu bar. This is the toolbar. And next, please see the down, scroll down the side. This is called timeline bar. And next, please the right side, see the right side, channel box and attribute editor. See the right side. Is it clear? The first please mute your mics. This call a menu bar file. This is called menu bar. File, edit, create, select, modify, display, and windows. And next, mesh, edit mesh tool, mesh display, curves, surface, reform, and UV, generate, Chachi, and next, Arnold, and help. This is the menu bar. And next toolbar, this is the workspace, are called grid. And next timeline bar. And next attributed bar, and next see this layer bar. So I'm going to the first menu, file menu. I'm just explaining it. New scene and open scene, save scene as the mostly important, the four: a new scene, open scene, and a save scene as. And next, import and export assets and videos. And next, export the Unity, send to Unity. Okay. And project venue and set venue, set project. And next, edit menu, undo and redo, and cut, copy, paste. You are mostly this know these options: undo, redo, and cut, copy, paste, and keys. Delete and delete layer or delete options. And next, duplicate special. See these options also. We have the see these options. We have the shortcuts also. Control D and Control Shift D. Duplicate with transform, Shift D. And next, group and ungroup, Control G. Have the shortcuts here also. And next, the next menu, create menu. NURBS means shapes, different type of modeling shapes, mean like a cone and next plan, sphere. And next, polygon shapes, cube, cylinder, cone. And next chain options here. And next, lighting camera settings. The mostly we are using create these four, five options is the create menu. And next, select menu. Set menu, we are the mostly using this CV curve tool. And next, first and last CV curve tool, we are using the two options only in the selection. All CVs, first and CV and last CV. And next, modify. Next menu in modify, we have the options in the main used transform tools and center pivot point. With the options here also, toolbar here, the options, move tool, rotation, and scale tool. And next, display. If you are miss any option, please go to and display, hide the tools and show the tools. And next, this is the polygons and NURBS and animations rendering options. No problem, we have the options in the department options also. And next, Windows, you know, all softwares have the Windows. If you are miss any option, please go and click that options, general options and modeling gators. And next, the mesh is very important in this 3D modeling. Why? Because see the Boolean options, union and difference, the important options, how to fill the hole, and how to reduce, and how to give in the smooth options, and how to give in the mirror. I will explain about all options, no problem. And next, edit mesh. One second. Please follow in chat box, ma'am. Send some feedback link. Please fill that link. Tomorrow and next day, I will explain about menus and toolbars and departments also. Don't worry, I will explain about lighting in every departments also. We have the 20 days time, no problem. I will explain everything, every department. Tomorrow next day I will explain about all departments and menus, how to
Hello, sir.
yeah.
Sir, can you please change the timing, sir? This is our college timing, sir.
No, that is not my problem.
Okay.
Harpriya ma'am, I don't know Harpriya ma'am here or not.
Yes, Santosh, what?
Some students ask the change the timing. You have any available change the timing or not?
This is our college timing, sir.
I didn't get what they are asking.
Madam, this timings is our college timings, ma'am. Can you please change that one timings? This classes.
Really, I'm unable to hear you. So I don't know what you guys exactly asking. But
Hello, madam.
yeah, tell me.
Yeah, so students are asking that it is their college timing. So is it possible to actually change the timing? So that's what they are asking.
Need to postpone the time?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
whether some other timings are possible. So they are asking.
Sorry for that, sir. Actually, we actually what happened means it is like 10 to 11 due to availability of this Zoom link. This is the Zoom is which is paid to us. So there is 10 to 11, there will be another program. There are a lot of consequences are there to postpone this program. I think it is impossible to postpone. So and anyway, so many members were sharing feedback link in chat box. Just give the feedback link. It is very important to give the feedback link. So everyone I request to give the feedback link in feedback of this session, what exactly. But tomorrow there will not, there is no session because the trainer is in leave. That is Santosh. Santosh is in leave. Again, day after tomorrow, as usual, 9 to 10. Please, guys, join. Okay, guys, I hope no questions from us and from your end to answer us. So any questions, let us know. Yeah, we'll not change the timings because it's not possible to change actually. So anyway, please give feedback which is there in chat box. Just I'm sharing here. So just give the feedback link. So which was already shared in chat box. Okay. So I hope it is very clear. So Any questions? Because we are running out of the time. So daily will end 5 minutes. Any questions?
Ma'am, can you
Yeah,
share
there is a
Unity
question.
playlist also?
YouTube link, recording link, right?
No, no, Unity playlist.
Unity playlist, I'll share. No need to worry about that. I'll share. Just ping me in
Thank you,
WhatsApp or just mail me to this. I'll give a reply to the playlist. So Haripriya _m @apssdc.in. I just kept in the mail. Just ping me in mail. Definitely I'll give. So
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Telegram
you.
link. Kamala, can you share the Telegram link in chat box because everyone was asking the Telegram link.
Ma'am, can YouTube link video?
What?
Can you share us this session video, recorded session?
Yeah, we'll share as soon as possible in Telegram link. Just join this Telegram group, okay? Everyone just join this Telegram group and just give the feedback. This feedback link also, once again, I'll share in chat box also, like in Telegram also, okay? Okay, guys, let's meet tomorrow. There is no time. We'll end the session. So let's meet day after tomorrow. There is no session. I hope it was clear. Bye. Everything I'll discuss again at Wednesday once again. Many members was asking about the projects, classes and everything. So no need to worry.
Yeah, hello.
Group. Everything will communicated in that group. Okay. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.